G'day ladies and gents. I'm at a job where I've got a solenoid which has been installed very crookedly, and over time it has pushed the glue away, and I don't know if you can see right there, there's a bunch of water flowing, and that's been going for however long, I'm not sure, months, years, weeks. Anyway, so my job today is to have a look at this and fix it, which I'm going to be doing with something called a Slipfix. See you soon. Right, so here we go. That's the finished product. I've made it slightly straighter, as you can see, by digging this bit of trench dirt out, which moved the pipe over a little bit. The other thing is, this solenoid is on its last days, as this is a design fault from this company where the water gets in where this chrome little cap is, and then expands the main outside plastic housing, which then causes rust and so on and so forth. Now, the other thing I've done is I've tucked the wires in underneath it, taped to the Slipfix, which is this section here, and all it does is it expands and contracts in that little section, and I've got it to the almost fully expanded setting. Right, that's it. Right, so this is the replacement solenoid. That's the type of company Irrigation solenoid it is. All you do is you unscrew this ring, and there's a few little tricky bits inside that you need to make sure of going the right way around, and you can see this one's been designed without the little chrome top on. So we're not going to replace this one today because the client's gone, no, we can easily get to that one, and we'll do that next time. It's easy enough to do in the place where it is. I'll just show you now. So this is the one I've just covered up, and all I do is I go in here, unscrew that top, pull the wires out. I've got gel clips on there already, which are waterproof, and they can stay in there nice and neatly now. And I'll just unscrew that, put the new one in, done. Easy as that, when the time comes. All right, that's it for today. So, like I said, just to recap, this is the new design, and it is well worth replacing it with this one. You won't be able to get that other chrome dome one as a replacement because they don't make them anymore. All right.